Hi, welcome to For My Nissan. Delighted to show you this brand new Nissan X-Trail e-Power. It's an SV premium version. E-Power is Nissan's revolutionary new hybrid system which uses a petrol generator to make electricity. That is stored in a battery and that in turn powers an electric motor. So 100% of the time you're in electric power. It offers incredible fuel economy and a full EV-like driving experience. There is no range anxiety, no plugging in or no waiting to charge. The X-Trail is Nissan's large SUV, comfortably will take 5 adults and has a massive boot. Produces over 200 brake horsepower. You have full LED lights. This is the premium version, finished in ceramic grey. Comes with those lovely diamond cut alloys. You have privacy glass. I'm just going to show you the boot. Comes with a flat floor boot, so putting stuff in and out is very easy. And you can divide that if you want extra space, more options. Doors open almost 90 degrees, so getting in and out very easy. As an example, if you're checking on children's safety belts, also just enables that a lot easier. Great knee and leg room. You've a full digital dash behind the steering wheel and a 12.4 inch screen there housing the sat nav system, which will take Irish air codes. It has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. A full panoramic roof goes all the way back, and the first third is a sunroof that will open, tilt and slide. Front and rear parking sensors. It is a beautiful car to drive, very comfortable. Gobbles up bumps on the road. You have effortless power. Full photos will be on our website. If you'd like to arrange a test drive or talk to us about trading in your own vehicle, you can contact us via formoynissan.ie. Thank you so much.